Hi! Welcome to our beginning piano course, Level 1. I am so excited to help you learn the piano. Are you ready to? Great! In this first lesson, we are going to briefly outline all of the concepts you will learn in this course. The first thing you need to know about music is the term tempo. Tempo is how fast or slow you will be playing the music. There are 3 types of tempos we are going to learn. The first one is largo, then andante, and last, allegro. Largo means to play slow. Can you pretend to be a turtle walking so slow? Say largo. The next is andante, just walking speed, not too fast and not too slow, just like you're walking down the street. And allegro means to play fast. Can you run in place and say allegro? Fast. Great! Dynamics are how loud and how soft you are going to play the music. There are 4 different types of dynamics you are going to learn. We have piano, which is quiet like a mouse. Mezzo piano, which means just a little bit louder. Mezzo forte is moderately loud. And forte, which is so loud. Say forte! Now let's learn about note values and rest values. In order to be able to play music, you need to know what those notes are and how long to play them for. There's 4 different types of notes we are going to learn. We have our quarter note, which gets 1 beat, a half note, which gets 2 beats, a dotted half note, which gets 3 beats, and a whole note gets 4 beats. And remember, a beat is just how long we're going to play that note for. We also have rest values. These are just like our note values, but in rest, we don't play anything. It's completely silent. So with a quarter rest, we have 1 beat of silence, meaning we don't play anything at all. A half rest, we have 2 beats of silence. And a whole rest, we get 4 beats of silence. Next, we will learn about our time signatures. There are 2 time signatures we will be playing in this course. The top note tells you how many beats are in the measure, and the bottom note tells you which type of note gets the beat. So in 3/4 time signature, there are 3 beats in each measure, and in the quarter note gets 1 beat. In 4/4 time signature, there are 4 beats in each measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. When we look at our music, you will also notice we have bar lines, and these create measures. So in our time signature of 4/4, there's 4 beats to 1 measure, and then we see a bar line, and that separates out our music. That makes it easier to read. So we have 4 beats of music, a bar line, and then another measure of music. At the very end, we have a double bar line, and that tells us the song is over. There's one more thing to learn today that you will use throughout this course, and that is middle C hand position and notes C and D in the right hand. All right, now I need you to put your hands out in front of you like this and wiggle all of your fingers. Our fingers in piano have numbers, and we're going to learn all of them right now. Wiggle your thumbs, those are your 1s. Wiggle your second fingers, those are your 2s. Wiggle your middle fingers, those are your 3s. Wiggle your ring fingers, those are your 4th fingers. And lastly, wiggle your pinkies. Those are your 5th fingers. For middle C hand position, put your thumbs on middle C. Each finger lines up and is placed on a white key for all 5 fingers. Now wiggle your thumb on your right hand, and we'll play middle C on the piano with our thumb. Wiggle your second finger on your right hand. We are going to play D. That's the note right next to C with our second finger, like this. Can you find middle C and D on your piano? You learned so much today. I'm so excited to keep going with you. We will review in each lesson all the concepts you learned today throughout this course. So let's move on to lesson 2.